If you are over 60, your body is like a finely tuned engine that's been running for decades. Every single part needs the right fuel to keep it going. But here's the truth: the salt sitting in your kitchen could be silently wrecking your heart, kidneys, and even your brain without you feeling a thing. You see, after 60, your blood vessels become less flexible, your kidney function slows down, and your heart works harder than ever. The wrong kind of salt can accelerate this aging process, raising blood pressure, draining calcium from your bones, and even triggering strokes. But the right kind of salt, that's like giving your body a gentle healing boost every single day. In this video, I'll review 4 dangerous salts you should never touch again, and 4 life-saving salts you should eat daily to protect your heart, strengthen your bones, and keep your brain sharp. But before we start, take a few seconds to like the video, subscribe to Greenell channel, and put on your notification bell so that you can be notified when there is a new upload on the channel. Table salt. Most people grew up with it, most kitchens still have it, and most seniors sprinkle it without thinking twice. But regular white table salt is stripped of its natural minerals during processing. What's left is almost pure sodium chloride, often bleached to make it white, with anti-caking additives. The problem: pure sodium chloride in high amounts floods your bloodstream, forcing your kidneys to work overtime. For seniors whose kidneys are already less efficient, this is a recipe for high blood pressure, water retention, and heart strain. Think of it like pouring cheap corrosive fuel into a vintage car. It might run for a while, but inside it's causing damage that will eventually lead to a breakdown. Processed flavored salts. They smell delicious, they make food taste extra, but they are often loaded with hidden dangers. Many flavored salts are made with cheap refined salt as their base, mixed with artificial flavors, preservatives, and even MSG. This means you are not just getting harmful sodium, you are also consuming chemicals that can inflame your arteries, raise your blood pressure, and trigger headaches or dizziness. For seniors, especially those with heart disease, diabetes, or kidney issues, these salts can quietly chip away at your health with every sprinkle. If you love flavor salt, make your own at home using mineral-rich salts and real herbs. Your heart and kidneys will thank you. Pickling salt. It might seem harmless because it's just salt, but pickling salt is even finer than table salt, meaning it dissolves quickly, and that can encourage you to use far more than your body needs. It also lacks the mineral diversity that naturally helps balance sodium's effects. For seniors, this high sodium load without balancing minerals can mean instant spikes in blood pressure and long-term cardiovascular damage. And here is the kicker: many pickled foods already contain vinegar and preservatives, which can be harsh on your digestive system if eaten regularly. Adding pure sodium chloride from pickling salts is doubling the stress on your gut and your heart. Salt found in processed food. This is the invisible salt, the kind you don't see, but you consume daily without realizing it. Canned soups, frozen dinners, snack chips, instant noodles, deli meats, and even bread can be packed with hidden sodium. For someone over 60, this is especially dangerous because the salt is combined with additives and preservatives, creating an even higher risk of fluid retention, swelling in the legs, and heart overload. Cutting down on processed foods is one of the fastest ways to reduce eating salt and protect your blood vessels. Now that you know what to avoid, let's look at the salts that can actually heal and protect your body. Himalayan pink salt. This beautiful pink crystal salt isn't just pretty, it's packed with over 80 trace minerals, including potassium, magnesium, and calcium. These minerals help counterbalance sodium's blood pressure effect, support nerve health, and keep your bones strong. It's less processed than table salt, meaning you are getting the minerals nature intended. Just remember, it's still salt, so use moderately, but it's far safer than the refined white stuff. Celtic sea salt. Harvested from coastal waters and dried in the sun, Celtic sea salt has a grayish tint because it retains minerals like magnesium and selenium. Magnesium helps relax blood vessels, reducing hypertension risk, something seniors especially benefit from. It also tastes richer than table salt, so you often use less but still enjoy flavorful meals. Black salt, a traditional salt used in Ayurvedic medicine. Black salt contains minerals and natural compounds like sulfur, which may aid digestion and support liver health. It's slightly smoky, egg-like flavor, means you don't need much to season your food. For seniors with slow digestion or bloating, black salt can be a gentle, natural alternative to harsh digestive aids. Potassium salt. Unlike sodium chloride, potassium salt replaces some sodium with potassium, a mineral that helps lower blood pressure by balancing fluid levels in the body. Many seniors are low in potassium because of medications or low fruit vegetable intake. So swapping in potassium salt can be a game changer for heart health. But please do check with your doctor. Your health after 60 is built on the small daily choices you make, and salt is one of the most overlooked. By cutting out dangerous salts like table salt, seasoned salt, pickling salt, and hidden processed food salt, and of course replacing them with mineral-rich options like Himalayan pink salt, Celtic sea salt, black salt, and potassium salt. You can protect your heart, strengthen your bones, and even keep your mind sharp for years to come. Remember, it's not about giving up flavor, it's about giving your body the right kind of flavor. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone you love, and don't forget to subscribe for more heart smart tips every week. Your heart will thank you. Thank you for watching to the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. Remember, green out cares.